Are you looking for ways to earn some extra income without having to put in a lot of work? If so, then you might want to consider one of the many cryptocurrency passive income strategies that are out there. Welcome to this Crypto Wealth channel. In this video, we will be taking a look at 10 of the top crypto passive income strategies. We hope that by the end of this video, you will have found at least one that interests you and that you will be able to start earning some extra income soon. What is passive income, and why should you consider investing in crypto? The term passive income refers to the income that you earn without having to work for it. While many people primarily think of traditional sources of passive income like rental properties or online business ventures, there are also plenty of crypto projects out there that offer similar opportunities for earning an extra buck. One reason why many investors are attracted to passive income from crypto projects is that it can often be much more lucrative than traditional sources of passive income. Crypto assets are risky, and not all projects will be successful. However, when you invest in the right ones, you could end up making a lot of money very quickly. Another reason why so many people are attracted to cryptocurrencies is the fact that they are decentralized. This means that your money is not tied to any central bank or financial institution, which can make it much more difficult for your funds to be frozen or seized by a government entity. Overall, there are many reasons why investing in crypto projects can offer excellent passive income opportunities, and those who want to take advantage of them should do their research and choose wisely. 10 ways investors can earn passive income with their crypto in 2023 and beyond. The investment landscape is changing rapidly, and the world of cryptocurrency presents a wealth of opportunities for investors interested in earning passive income. Here are 10 ways to earn passive income with crypto investments in 2023 and beyond. 1. Mining. First, on this list of crypto passive income opportunities in mining, it is the process by which new cryptocurrency tokens are created by solving complex computational problems using dedicated hardware. Mining can be done at home or remotely, but it only works for coins that allow it. Most cryptocurrencies choose to make their blockchains resistant to mining, as this results in a more decentralized system with greater security. 2. Staking and master nodes. Staking and master node projects are very similar in that both require you to hold a certain amount of the cryptocurrency tokens on the network, which then enables you to earn passive income from holding those coins. 3. Security token offerings. Once major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum become compliant with the current securities laws in their jurisdiction, then it's likely that many ICO projects will launch security tokens for investors to buy into. These investments work much like traditional equity shares. When you invest, you get a portion of the profits from the project and become a shareholder. 4. Lending platforms. Another option for crypto passive income generation is lending platforms, including traditional lending sites, such as BlockFi, or cryptocurrency-specific sites, such as Nexo and Celsius Network. 5. Dividends from high-risk altcoins. As more investors begin entering the crypto market, there will be an increasing number of coins that offer dividends to their token holders. The idea is simple: if you hold some tokens for a particular project, you'll be entitled to a portion of the profits generated by that project. 6. Yield farming. Yet another option for investors who want to earn crypto passively is via yield farming. It's the process of depositing your cryptocurrency into a pool with other users. Other cryptocurrency users can borrow the funds, paying you an interest rate for the investment. While potentially risky, yield farming can be a great passive income opportunity for you. 7. Crypto trading bots. The final way to earn crypto passively is to invest in a trading bot that automatically helps you buy and sell cryptocurrencies at the right time. Several platforms enable you to set up your strategy. For example, buying and selling coins when a certain price threshold has been reached or when another coin rises or falls against it. Some bots also allow you to use leverage in your trades, meaning you can buy more crypto with the same amount of funds and then earn even more passive income as a result. 8. Crypto savings accounts. Although savings accounts are traditionally thought of as a traditional investment vehicle, many crypto investors are also choosing to stash their funds in these accounts. This allows them to earn passive interest from their holdings and continue investing in new opportunities that arise. Today, there are several different platforms offering crypto savings accounts. 9. Crypto affiliate programs. Affiliate programs are referral-based systems that allow you to earn a commission for referring other users to use specific platforms, products, or services. For example, if someone you know joins a crypto trading platform via your unique link, you could receive a commission on their fees or trades. One of the top crypto affiliate programs in the industry today is Bybit. This platform offers competitive trading conditions to its users and allows them to earn passive income if they refer others to use it. Whether you're a successful social media influencer or just someone who wants to help your friends get into crypto, then adding an affiliate program to your income portfolio could be a great way to earn passive crypto today. 10. Forks and airdrops. Although forks and airdrops are technically free tokens that you receive, they can also earn crypto passively for holders. If you're holding a specific cryptocurrency when it undergoes a fork or drops tokens to its users, then you could see those new coins added to your stash, meaning you'll be able to put them toward other passive income opportunities or sell them to earn additional crypto. For example, if you hold Bitcoin and it undergoes a fork that results in the creation of a new cryptocurrency, then you could see your holdings increase as you automatically receive tokens for the forked coin. Airdrops work similarly, creating new tokens for holders of an existing one, and can also be a great way to passively earn crypto. By investing in any of these strategies, investors can potentially earn significant returns from their crypto holdings in 2023 and beyond. However, it's important to remember that every investment carries risk, and there is no guarantee of a profit. As always, investors should do their own research before putting their money into any cryptocurrency. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.